Earth has been constantly evolving, a resilient planet shaped by forces of fire, ice, and life itself. For billions of years, it survived mass extinctions, drifting continents, and cosmic impacts, all under the warming watch of the sun. But as the sun ages, its brightness steadily increases, releasing more energy year by year. A slow but powerful shift that holds incredible consequences for our planet's future. Scientists, studying Earth's past and mapping the slow march of change, have unlocked fascinating glimpses into what awaits our world in the coming billion years. Advanced models and predictions allow us to peer into a future where continents merge and drift, oceans vanish, and temperatures soar. Join us as we embark on a journey through time to see how Earth will transform under the sun's rising intensity, revealing a future that is as awe-inspiring as it is daunting. As the sun's intensity steadily rises, Earth will start to feel the full impact of this change. Over the next 100 million years, the gradual increase in solar energy will drive temperatures higher, triggering an era of profound transformations. This warming will set off a chain of effects that reshape Earth's climate. Regions that once enjoyed moderate seasons may see prolonged, intense summers with milder winters. As heat intensifies, deserts will expand, encroaching into areas that were once lush with forests and grasslands, altering habitats and challenging plants and animals to adapt or vanish. In temperate zones, new types of vegetation may emerge, bringing shifts in ecosystems and the gradual loss of species unfit for the hotter conditions. Marine life will be deeply affected as well. Rising ocean temperatures will stress coral reefs, endangering the ecosystems that depend on them. Fish populations, seeking cooler waters, could migrate to new regions, disrupting food chains and impacting larger predators. For scientists, these changes reveal how deeply climate affects life on Earth and underscore the intricate interdependence of species within ecosystems. The warming won't just affect living things. Earth's landscapes will transform too. Rivers may run dry as rainfall patterns change, leaving cracked beds behind. Lakes in fertile areas could shrink, turning into barren patches. Along coastlines, fluctuating sea levels and erosion will reshape shores, leaving familiar landscapes forever altered. This first wave of transformation will redefine Earth's surface, setting it on a course toward even greater change. These shifts are only the beginning. While this phase will be dramatic, it's merely a prelude to a far hotter, harsher world. A world where oceans evaporate, landscapes dry out, and Earth itself battles the relentless rise of the sun's intensity. As the sun's energy output increases, Earth will face its next monumental shift. Around 500 million years from now, solar radiation will become powerful enough to start evaporating Earth's oceans, reshaping its surface and atmosphere. With shrinking oceans, Earth will lose its main coolant. As more water vapor rises into the atmosphere, it will amplify the greenhouse effect, creating a cycle of extreme warming. Water vapor will trap more heat, pushing temperatures to unprecedented levels. This runaway effect will transform Earth's climate into a superheated, moisture-scarce environment. As oceans recede, coastlines will pull back, exposing land long hidden beneath the sea. What remains will turn into shallow, saline bodies of water, bordered by barren salt flats. Rivers and lakes will dry up, leaving a parched, desert-like surface more reminiscent of Mars than the blue planet it once was. Life will struggle in this new world. Plants, the backbone of ecosystems, will vanish without water. Those species that need stable, cooler climates will disappear, leaving only the hardiest forms of life clinging on. This collapse will ripple up the food chain as herbivores and their predators lose essential resources, leading to mass extinctions. Earth's atmosphere will also change. Clouds will thin and eventually vanish, leaving the planet exposed to unfiltered sunlight by day and plunging temperatures at night. The atmosphere, now thin and dry, will offer little buffer from these harsh swings. Earth's climate will become increasingly extreme, a place only the most resilient species could hope to endure. This phase, defined by the vanishing oceans, will be one of Earth's most dramatic transformations. With water all but gone, the planet will shift toward a dry, hostile world, a barren landscape where life survives against mounting odds under an ever-brightening sun. As Earth grows hotter, changes deep within the planet will continue, reshaping its surface through tectonic movement. Over hundreds of millions of years, Earth's plates will shift, gradually merging the continents into a single supercontinent. This massive landmass will transform Earth's climate, ecosystems, and landscapes. With continents unified, inland areas will experience extreme temperatures far from oceans' moderating effects. These central regions could face scorching daytime heat and frigid nights, while coastal areas, affected by new patterns of wind and ocean currents, may encounter unusual weather. Overall, this new supercontinent will likely endure an arid, desert-like climate, with less moisture circulating to keep the land cool and habitable. Biodiversity will also be impacted. The uniting of continents will blend previously separated ecosystems, forcing species to compete and adapt to unfamiliar environments. As ecosystems merge, some species may face extinction. Unable to survive these shifts, other species could evolve or migrate, leading to new adaptations, but overall biodiversity may decline as distinct species intermix, reducing the variety of life. Along tectonic boundaries, mountain ranges may form, adding rugged terrain. Yet much of the land could remain dry, home to only hardy plants adapted to extreme conditions. Life will concentrate around limited water sources, with drought-resistant vegetation and tough animal species eking out survival. The formation of this supercontinent will be a major milestone in Earth's evolution. Climate will shift, ecosystems will change, and life will adapt once again, surviving in a world of scarce resources and increasing extremes. As Earth advances into the future, the sun's brightness will continue increasing, pushing the planet to its absolute limits. Around 1 billion years from now, Earth will reach a breaking point. Surface temperatures will soar, and with water nearly gone, our planet will become uninhabitable for nearly all life as we know it. With temperatures exceeding the boiling point of water, any remaining moisture on Earth's surface will evaporate, leaving the land bone dry. This loss of water will end most biological processes, and ecosystems will collapse as the last sources of life are stripped away. Once fertile lands will transform into barren deserts, dominated by cracked earth and eroded landscapes where nothing can grow or survive. As water vapor escapes into space, the atmosphere itself will begin to deteriorate. Without water to fuel cloud formation, Earth's skies will remain clear, exposing the surface to unfiltered solar radiation. The thinning atmosphere will no longer buffer against the sun's intensity, creating a harsh, scorching environment by day and freezing conditions at night. This extreme climate will further erode the remaining vestiges of Earth's once thriving ecosystems. In these final stages, Earth's atmosphere will gradually be stripped away by solar winds as the magnetic field weakens and particles escape into space. As the air thins, Earth will resemble a barren, desert-like world, similar to Mars, a desolate landscape devoid of life, moisture, and atmosphere. The continents, once vibrant with plants and animals, will turn to endless dust-blown expanses under a relentless sun. This stage will mark the ultimate transformation of our planet. As Earth shifts toward becoming an arid, inhospitable world, the life and ecosystems that once defined it will be but a memory. Earth will have entered its final era, a world sculpted solely by the sun's immense power, where no life can endure. Earth's journey over the next billion years is a story of incredible transformation. From rising temperatures that reshape landscapes to the loss of oceans, the formation of a new supercontinent, and the final transformation into a barren desert, Earth's fate reminds us of the immense forces shaping our world. This journey reveals the transient nature of life and the relentless power of cosmic evolution. In witnessing these possible futures, we gain a sense of wonder and respect for our place in the vast timeline of the universe. For billions of years, Earth has been a cradle for life, but nothing in the cosmos remains the same. The Sun, our source of life, will also be the force that ultimately transforms our planet beyond recognition. As Earth changes, we're reminded that change is the only constant in the universe. If this glimpse into Earth's future left you inspired, give this video a like, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe for more explorations of our planet and beyond. Check out our other videos to uncover even more mysteries of the cosmos. Thanks for watching, stay curious, and keep exploring the wonders of our universe.